Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook ginger flavored beef with egg. This is probably the only Chinese cuisine that looks most like a Western omelette. I think it tastes very special and definitely worth trying. First, prepare the beef and cut it into slices. Mice some ginger and add it to the beef. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of starch, half spoon of soy sauce. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the beef into the pan. Make sure both sides of the beef are cooked. Now crack 4 eggs. Cut some scallion and add to the egg. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Pour the egg into the pan. Now stir the egg gently. Gradually, the egg will be cooked. Now turn off the fire and this dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.